Guys, so good morning. So we are back. So we will be unboxing 3 items today. Nag-work-home na ako ng towel. Kasi mainit. Yan. So we have our telephoto lens, guys. Isa. Yan. And we also have these 2 items here, the ND filter and for the wife. So the reason, guys, that we are unboxing is once again para may proof tayo if ever mayroon issue yung item, and of course for us to show you if it really works. The reason we purchased this telephoto, guys, is for nature photography and also moon photography, and this one is our Nikon D300. So we'll test if connected siya. So ang binili natin is isang seller lang for this telephoto and yung adapter ring niya. So this is the first that we will be unboxing. Let's check. So ito. So ito yung Shaver Fluff Fuzz. Yan. Yan po mga kadabit. Yan. So ito siya, guys. So length remover for the wife. Yan, binili natin. I think na-purchase natin ito for if walang shipping fee, siguro mga 100 plus, but due to the shipping fee, due to the promo, nabili natin siya for 61 pesos. Ito. Yan. Ang link ay natin sa akin, 59 pesos lang to, pero wala free shipping. So meron siyang instructions. Yan. Kahit maliit lang siya, guys, meron pa siyang instructions. Ayan, o. So ito siya. How do you open this one? Okay. So yan pala. Yan. So lens remover yan. Yan. So basically mga habot-habot kung manawag sila. Yan. Lens remover. Yan. So just natin. We have a towel. We have a towel here. Ingat ba? Ito. Yan. So dito mayroon tayong parang comforter na mayroong mga lint. Yan, o. Makita ba? Ito. Yan. So try natin. Oh. Push?
Nakuha lang siya do blade. Do ano siya.
Nakakuha nga, guys. Yan, o. Yan. Yung maliliit yun, o. Yan, ito na. Yan, kita nyo. Tabo-tabo. Oh. Yan. So, nakakuha siya talaga, guys. Medyo ano lang siya, medyo masakit sa tainga. Oh. Yan, so close na natin. Okay, let's proceed to our second item. Ito yung ND filter. Okay. Ito siya. Ito yung ND filter natin. So check natin. So this is adjustable, guys. ND filter is like, if you have been watching our vlog, guys, nakita nyo mayroong dalawa. Nakita nyo sa kunin mo yung bag ko, babe, yung Nikon na bag lang na gamay, saka ang photo lens. So nakita nyo sa previous vlog natin na mayroon tayong mga sunset na mayroong mga filter na color from Tarayo. Today, yun, guys, ang ginawa namin is we place the Tarayo filters mismo sa front ng lens to create a filter effect na RGBY. So red, green, blue, yellow. So ngayon, we have this new ND filter. Ito siya. So this one is for the 55mm and this one is for the 62 sa telephoto lens natin dito. Yan. So magagamit din siya natin sa telephone, super telephone, kasi itong telephoto lens natin guys, it's 70 to 300 ito. Yan. So 70 to 300 itong Tamron natin. This for telephoto lens, however, is 420 mm to 800. So we will try to put this filter, ND filter sa dito sa Tamron natin. Yan. So test natin. Kunin ko lang muna to. Yan. So open natin. How do you open this? So let's open. Yan. Medyo mabigat siya guys. Oh, yan. So there's no manual. Okay. Just the lens itself. Ito yung lens. Yan guys. So lagay natin. And see if it will fit. Yan. So ito siya. So there is no brand. There is an underwear brand guys. Just like this. But this one, we purchased this one for like 236 pesos. Pero ang kinaibahan niya guys is siguro mga 100 or 200 pesos less siya compare sa underwear. But we check the review as okay naman siya. Ayan guys, oh. Yan, makikita nyo. Yan, oh. Yan, oh. So yan yung parang sunglasses ng lens natin. Yan, yung dark. Yan. So we can adjust it from ND2 to 400. Yan. So 62 mm siya. So try natin if mag-fit. Ito yung UV filter pala natin guys. Yan. Nakita ko sa inyo. Gamitin natin to. Yan. So ito yung ND filter, UV filter natin. Yan. So ito yung UV filter natin na underwear, yan o. We have a review this one. We have also a review for this one. So yan. Lagay natin yung UV filter to protect the lens from UV. And this one is our ND filter. Yan guys. Wow, it fits. Yan. So it fits guys. Yan. Yan. So maganda na siya guys. Yan. So as you can see, dark siya. So we can adjust. Yan. So we will share to you some photos soon. For now, unboxing na muna. Okay. So we'll put the hindi mo siya makonect guys. So ito pala, dapat nauna siya, no? Yan, no? Hindi mo na siya mapasok. Yan, no? Hindi mo na yung mapasok yung hood. So dapat nauna yung hood. Yan. So dapat you have to remove talaga. Yan. So yan na guys. Yan yung yung hood. So when we put the ND filter, medyo mahirapan tayo. Kasi you need to place the hood first. But I don't think we need the hood guys kasi we have the ND filter naman for the sun. Kasi yung purpose talaga ng hood is to deflect or to protect the lenses to protect the lenses to the UV rays or direct sunlight. Yan. So parang design na lang guys kasi mahirap siya ipasok. But you can still place it here. Yan. Yan. So once we place it guys, I don't think we can use this. Let me check. Yan. Oh, we can still use it. Yeah.
Wala na lulipat. Wala na lagit na kumustap na.
Yeah, we can still use it. Okay, so we can still place the Tamron cover. Yeah. Somehow we can still use it. Yeah. So we can still use it. We can still place the Tamron here. Yan. So that's it guys for our 62mm ND filter. Yan. So we just place it there. So the next will be the 55mm. So check natin. This one guys. How do we open this? Wait, I text you already. Tapos ano mo?
Kasi mo sa matigas.
Sa imo number to.
Wala.
Siguro dito guys. Yan. So, let's open. Yan. So, mayroon pa talagang plastic. Yan. So, maganda naman yung plastic for safekeeping guys. If you want to safely keep your filters. Yan. So, remove lang natin. Medyo mabigat siya guys. May mayroong kabigatan. And, yan. So, check natin if gumagana. Yan. Yan. So, may ano siya guys, may Ray-Ban effect. Yan. So, lagay natin dito and see if it will fit. I will be sharing some photos dito guys dito ngayon. Pero mas maganda if nasa daylight tayo. But I will be sharing some photos also. I will be taking some shots. Parang hindi mag-fit Oh, it fits. Yeah. Yan. Yan na guys. Oh. Yan. So makikita nyo guys yung name sa loob. Yan. So we will try to remove this. And hindi siya ma-remove guys. Hindi siya ma-remove. Yung parang hood. So if you want to place the hood, yung magiging hood dito guys is parang ano na lang siya, parang design. Kasi yung ND filter guys is actually a protection na for the light. May UV light na tayo kasi. Let's see. So parang ano lang siya guys, parang design na lang yung hood natin. Kasi we have the ND again. So mahirap siya. Mahirap talaga ilagay yung ND filter. Mahirap ilagay yung ND filter kasi you cannot twist or turn here. Pag mayroon siyang parang if you want the hood to face like this on this direction, so hindi mo siya twist to place the ND filter. Yan. But if you will be placing the ND filter, if you will just place the hood like this one, yung parang covered na lang siya, yeah, you can place the filter. Yan. You can still use naman the lens. Yan. Pero yung filter dito parang it's facing backwards na, hindi front. Anyway, maganda siya tingnan dito for the ND filter. Yan. So you can adjust. Yan. So you can do some long exposures guys if you have an ND filter for the sunrise. Yan. Okay, so let's move forward guys. Let's see kung ma-connect pala natin ito o ma-connect. Oh, pwede din. Yeah. So you can still, hindi siya mahulog. Yan. So hindi siya mahulog. Yan. So ang nagto-turn ito guys, yung adjustable rim ng ND filter mismo. Pero yung body ng filter, it is fixed. So, okay lang yan. Hindi yan talaga ma-remove kasi it's just turning ano, infinite yung factor niya. So yan guys, so hindi yan ma-remove kahit ilang beses mo i-turn. Alright guys, so we tested already. We took some shots indoor, but the best photos is yet to come for this ND filter, guys. So this one, it's already on maximum. Let me try it maximum. Yeah. So as you can see, the letters inside is fading away. So that's the maximum. It's very dark. This is good for outdoor photography, especially for sunlight, daylight. Ayan. Okay, so you can see, yan. So you can see the letters inside there. The little dust there is the little dark spots there are just the dust sky, guys. Yan. And also we have the telephoto lens. We took some shots already. We will share it to you guys on Monday. Monday, March 29, we will do some full moon photography. Okay, and so it comes with a adapter from the same seller, and there's an adjustment tool. So basically that's guys, that is our unboxing for today. So if you like this, don't forget to subscribe and share.